Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new subject that is Devops. This is the unit 1 for the Devops. Let us discuss the topics in unit 1. Introduction to Devops, Agile Development Model, Devops and ITIL, Devops Process and Continuous Delivery, Release Management, Serum, Kanban, Delivery Pipeline and Bottleneck. Now let us discuss the what is DevOps. The DevOps is a combination of two words. One is development and other is operations. Here the DevOps is divided into two words, that is dev is belongs to development and ops is belongs to operation. This allows a single team to handle the entire application lifecycle for development to testing to deployment to operation. DevOps helps to increase organization speed to deliver applications and services. DevOps can also be defined as a sequence of development and IT operations with better communication and collaboration. DevOps has become one of the most valuable business disciplines for enterprises or organizations. With the help of DevOps, quality and speed of the application delivery has improved to a great extent. DevOps is nothing but a practice or methodology of making developers and operations. Now let us discuss the architecture of DevOps. This is the architecture for DevOps. The architecture of DevOps is divided into two subphases, that is Dev and Ops. Dev is nothing but a development phase and Ops is nothing but a operation phase. Development and operation both plays essential roles in order to deliver applications. In in development phase, it analyze the requirements, designing, developing and testing. In operation phase, it consists the administrative process, services and supports to the software. When the both development and operations are combined with collaborating, then the DevOps architecture is the solution to fix the gap between development and operation teams, and therefore it can deliver the fast. DevOps architecture is used for the application hosted on the cloud platform and large distributed applications. Agile development model is used in DevOps architecture so that integration and the delivery can be continuous. In further classes, we are going to discuss agile development model also. In that model, you are going to discuss you are going to know what is each phase deeply. When the development and operations team work separately for each other, then it is a time consuming process for testing, designing and the deploying. And if the terms are non sync with each other, then it may cause a delay in delivery. So the DevOps enables the teams to change their shortcomings and increase productivity. In DevOps architecture, we have the different components. In DevOps architecture, the dev and operations are divided. In dev phase, we are having the phases like build phase, code phase, test phase, and plan phase. In operation phase, we are having the monitor phase, deploy phase, operate phase, and release. Total, we are having 8 phases. In each phases, we are having different types of tools. With the help of the tools only, we are going to complete the task and we can move to from one phase to another phase. In next class, phases of DevOps, we are going to discuss deeply each phase and each tool. Next, why DevOps? Why we have to use DevOps only? Because operation team and development team work together to complete one application or one project. After design and build phase, it moves to automatically testing phase and deployment phase. It is a sequential model. After completing one task, it will immediately move to next task. The DevOps is a life cycle process. Without the use of DevOps, the team member are spending a large amount of time on designing, testing, and deploying instead of building the project. In early days, the DevOps is not introduced. The before DevOps, it is difficult to complete the project. After DevOps, it is becoming more faster and easier to develop a project. That's why DevOps is more trendiest programming language, we can say. Next, coming to next, manual code development leads to human errors in production. While deployment or delivering the application or a project, the DevOps will reduce the human errors. Coding and operation team have their separate timelines. There will be having a time limit. Next, coming to advantages in DevOps. DevOps is a fastest delivery of software. DevOps uses the continuous delivery and continuous integration for faster and more frequent release of software. In coming classes, we are going to discuss about the continuous delivery and continuous integration. In that class, you will know about what is continuous delivery and continuous integration. Next, improved collaboration. DevOps promotes better communication and collaboration between development and operation team, breaking down slides and culture of shared responsibilities. Improved collaboration is nothing but it promotes better communication and collaboration between two phases, that is development phase and operation phase. Next, increased efficiency. Increased efficiency is nothing but reducing the human errors and accelerates the development and deployment process, making the overall workflow more efficient. Next, continuous feedback. DevOps encourages the continuous feedback loop because it allows the team to receive feedback from user and stakeholders early in the development cycle, leading to the quicker adjustment and the improvements. Next, better quality. Continuous testing and integration helps the issues early in the development process, resulting in highly software quality. Better quality is nothing but it will recognize the errors in early stage only. In development phase only, it will recognize the errors and rectify that errors. Next, scalability. DevOps practice make it easier to scale infrastructure and application to meet growing demands. Cost efficiency. By automatic process and uh, improving resource utilization, the DevOps is a user friendly and it is a cost efficiency. The DevOps can lead to cost saving it in the long run. In DevOps, we are having some of disadvantages. Let us discuss some of the disadvantages in DevOps. First one is complex implementation. Complex implementation is nothing but implementing DevOps practice can be complex, especially in large organization with existing process and technologies. It may require significant culture and organizational changes. Initial cost. Initial cost means setting up DevOps process and implementing automation tool may require an initial investment in terms of time, resource, and technology. Next one is resistance of change. Employees may resist change to establish workflow, especially if there is a lack of understanding or appreciation for the benefits of DevOps. Next is security constraints. Rapid and continuous development can potentially introduce security security changes. If not, security may measures must be integrated into the DevOps pipeline. Next one is skill set challenges. Adapting DevOps may require team to acquire new skills, and there would be a shortage of professionals with the necessary experts. Only experienced candidates or experienced persons or experienced engineers can be suitable for this DevOps. To become a DevOps engineer, we should aware of these all DevOps tools, and we should be well skilled. In next class, we are going to discuss phases of DevOps. Thank you. I hope you understand these topics, that is DevOps introduction and why we have to use DevOps, advantages and disadvantages of DevOps. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, that is Engineering Chaduvu.